Dunster Castle stands high on a hill overlooking Somerset and the village of Dunster. It was originally built as a Motte and Bailey medieval fortress by William de Mohun. The present castle owes much of its form to the Luttrell family. In the Victorian era, George Luttrell engaged architect Anthony Cleopatra. He built 2 new towers and added battlements to return its medieval feel, blending old and new. The castle is surrounded by garden, with terraces, exotic plants, and panoramic views. Inside, the castle's rooms tell stories of wealth and power. Family photos give it a feeling of a lived-in manor, but it is now maintained by the National Trust. Family portraits adorn the elegant dining room. The carved staircase, added in 1680, is credited to renowned craftsman Edward Pierce. The rarest pieces in the Dunster collection are the leather hangings from the 1600s. They tell the love story of Anthony and Cleopatra. Made of calfskin, they are embossed and painted to give a 3-dimensional appearance. The wisteria bedroom is serene and elegant with a warm fireplace. The King Charles bedroom. Charles II stayed here when still a prince in 1645. There's a secret tunnel in case he needed to escape Cromwellian forces. The billiard room reveals a Victorian love for leisure. A full-size billiard table sits at its center, surrounded by leather chairs and hunting trophies. The lemon house, designed to grow citrus fruits in colder climates, provides a tranquil orangery of peace and sunlight. The crypt below offers a creepy spot, perfect for some ghost stories. Dunster Castle has a story to tell in every corner.